Good morning, everybody. This seems a little bit nuts because the paper is shining luminous white here now and again when the sun shines. However, it's one of those mornings when I just feel a bit like taking a risk, I suppose. It doesn't feel that much of a risk when it's just paper and paint, you know. The other thing that's a bit, one could say risky, is that I've not tried watercolour on this paper before. It's Yupo paper. Oh, that feels quite good actually. So I've got my palette down here. It's fairly early morning in the studio, and something kind of magical about this time of the day. I mean, it's not that early, but feels a bit magical today. Today's Sunday. Yeah. And the noise you hear in the garden is Maisie just rearranging things out there. So this is alizarin crimson. When the sun goes away, it feels kind of satisfying because I can see the paper. Let's locate the nose now. Oh, you can see nothing, eh? That's what it looks like so far. If you can even still see that, I'm not sure. Okay, I think that's time up. Bye.